Hey, what's going on, guys? World's best friend here, and today, welcome to another unboxing video. So, as you can read the title, we're gonna box another Beyblade, which is Ragnaruk. Oh yeah, remember my birthday party, and then we did Nerf war. I'm sure in 23 hours, you guys hit 3 views, which is very good. Oh, let's start. Wait, let's stand up. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we're gonna unbox Ragnaruk Gravity Revolve. This is owned by Ragnaruk. And here's the a little wing thing that we attack. Here's the parts. And on the back we have Ragnaruk Gravity Revolve. I bought this whole thing for Revolve. I don't know why. Okay, let's just unbox this. This is pretty cool, guys. Okay, so we have the Beyblade here. Very cool. Okay. And you go in the box because you are the best. Okay. So guys, we're gonna box this thing. Let's go. So let's start with the driver. We have Revolve. Woohoo! Okay. So guys. Oh, that's actually pretty tight. By the end of the video, we're gonna battle these 3 Beyblades, which is Victory Valkyrie, Victory Valtryek, and Storm's Bryson. Let's go. Ooh, guys, look. It's Rise. Okay, just kidding. Ooh, pretty good driver, guys. It's pretty good. Okay. So, next up, let's move on to the disc. Which is Gravity. I really need no scissors. Oh my gosh. Oh. Alright, we have the Gravity. Woohoo, let's see how's. Oh my god, why is the light so. Oh my. There we go. Alright, sorry guys for the light. Dude, it's already 10 o'clock already. Look. I'm recording like that. Tomorrow's school, you know, guys. So I hit school, and we have Gravity right here. This actually looks pretty good. Okay, so let's move on to the most important part. We have the layer. Woohoo! We have Rising Ragnarok layer. See the teeth? I think Stamina's the worst teeth ever, so yeah, don't care about that. Ooh, this guy looks so cool, guys. I love the flames and everything like that. So let's put this Bey together, see how the teeth is. Oh no, I expect this guy to be more tight. Why is this so loose? Come on, okay, that's okay. Let's move on to the stickers or anything like that. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah, woohoo. Okay, here's the fresh stickers. And then here's instructions. Wait, there's no. What? Wait, where's the guide that you put on? Okay. It's okay though. We're gonna do some battle now. I'm gonna throw my trash away. Oh. Alright. Okay guys, I'm back. Right here, so we're gonna put the stickers on. We're gonna put 1 actually. Yeah, let's put 1. So number 1 is right here. Let's put 1. Okay. Ooh, guys, look at this. Okay, so I'm gonna put 1 on right now. Alright, wait. Sticker looks very bad on this. Okay. I don't know why. It just looks very weird looking. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks weird. Okay. Alright, yeah. Just get some battle going, and yeah. So I'm gonna stay this is so wet because this is light. Okay. We're using the Ragnaruk launcher. Let's try this out. Ooh, okay. Okay. This is very good stamina. Okay. So first up we have Storm Spriggan. We're gonna do one of each. So we're gonna do 3 battles. Oh. I don't really see it, but yeah. Oh, it's beating stamina. Oh my gosh. Bro. Okay, victory voucher now. No clicks, guys. Pretty impressed. 3, 2, 1, shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, go victory voucher. Okay, if Victory Voucher can't win, I'll leave it on Victory Valkyrie right here. Let's go. Takara Tomy versus Takara Tomy. This got 1 click. Okay, let's do Epic Burst. Come on, Victory. Victory Valkyrie. Oh, wow. Did you guys see that? It's a tie, so do one more battle because it's a tie. Dude, this this guy is so much tighter than him. No. Ow. Let's do it one more time. Just last time, okay? Whatever wins, I don't care. Okay. Let's go. Shoot. Oh my gosh, what's this stuff? 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh. And the winner is Victory Valkyrie. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna put the stickers on. Yup, and I know this video is gonna be so boring because we only do 3 battles each. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to my videos, of course. I don't know why it's so dark. I don't know why. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll do a giveaway if we get to 100 subscribers. Okay, False Best Friend out.